Hey, what's up? It's your girl Deja, aka Deja Vu, and I'm back again with another super dope, amazing video. So for today's video, as you all can already tell by the title and as you all can see by the thumbnail, I'm going to be trying this really dope look. In the video, you're going to see me originally do 3 braids in my head, but I ended up switching it up to be 4, and I'll explain that a little bit more in the video. Like, share, and subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you're notified every single time I post another amazing video. Don't forget to watch and share my previous videos with your friends, your family, cat, your dog. Y'all know the drill. Share my videos that everybody loves. Your girl Deja Vu will be popping. I don't want to hold you guys up any much longer. I just want to get right into the tutorial, so see me on that side. Hey guys, so this is actually a video when I first decided to do this hairstyle. I was just parting my hair so I could do like 3 braids in the front, but I actually ended up redoing like the braids on the front and on the sides because as you all can already see, I had a lot of product buildup already in my hair. I mean, that was fresh product that I just put on there, but it was already enough product on there, so my hair was kind of like thick and super hard to work through with all the extra product. So I'm like, I have to wash my hair first and blow dry it, and then this hairstyle will come out looking better. So that's actually what I ended up doing. This is the base look that I did for the hairstyle, the 2 braids on the sides, and then I did the 3 braids in the front, but I just switched it to it only being 4 braids instead. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this style. Let me know what you guys think and let me know if you guys try it. The products that I used to complete this look was the Eco Styler gel. Y'all know I used the crystal one in the Max Hold 10 number. I also used this Got To Be Freezing Spray Glue. This spray will just help keep my hair down. I use this bandana to lay my hair, my edges down, and to do my edges, I actually use this Edge Booster by Style Factory in the Peach Scent Edge Control. It's really good. As you all can see, my edges are laid, period, as they should be. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned. Tell me what y'all think. Do all that. We on a roll to 1K, y'all. So subscribe.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny, I got a crush on you, and that's true. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh, yeah. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
It's not that I want you here, yeah. It's something about the way you say it to my eyes. I know that I can make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. Can't get away. Palm trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is send pictures on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were, but we don't really want. I just wanna get away. Just stay right next to you. You. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. I want you around. Hold me till I scream for air breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby. Deep, 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 deep,
Okay guys, so here's the final style, the final braid tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this hairstyle. As you all already saw previously, I switched up from it being 4 braids to 3, from it being 3 braids to it only being 4 braids, because when I originally was going to do this style, I wasn't going to do it on blow dried hair at first, because I'm like, okay, my hair is already has product in it. I don't want to wash it and re-put more products in there, but that didn't come out right. So I just ended up washing my hair again, blow drying it, adding a little bit of heat to it so I can straighten it, and then here we are today with this lovely hairstyle. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want to see more videos like this video, share it, and subscribe. Share my videos with everybody you love, so your girl Dveju Vu could be popping. I love y'all so much, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Leave me a comment in the comment section, tell me what y'all think, give me video suggestions. And yeah, we on a road to 1K, so please subscribe, share with your friends, your family, catch your dog. I know the drill. Share my videos with everybody love, so your girl Dveju Vu could be popping. I love you guys so much, and I'll definitely see you in the next one. Bye bye. Another cute versatile thing with this pony, doing this pony style, is if you don't want to wear it as a braided pony, you can wear it as a braided bun like this. I think that is so cute to have it in a cute little bun, and then you can put some hair accessories on it like I did. I put 2 scrunchies on it to make it look even more cuter and not so plain. But yeah, so it's kind of 2 hairstyles in one, a braided pony and a braided bun. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Okay, I hope I see y'all in the next one. Bye.